Hi everyone! Welcome to the Empath Tarot Guides, another love reading, timeless, and general. Take what resonates lang po. Maybe some part of the reading maka-resonate kayo, some part of it hindi. Tignan natin ngayon kung anong love, connections, lessons in life, and guidance ang ating mababatid for this reading. Spirit guides, send me messages, anong love connections ito at mga aral gabay sa buhay pag-ibig ang nais yung ibabatid sa amin. Spirit guides, send me messages. Queen of Wands, Knight of Cups, Strength, Four of Swords, Stars, Magician, Two of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Hanged Man, and Three of Cups. Maganda yung nasisense ko dito. Very positive. This is about your love manifestations. Maaring nandiyan ka kasi sa point that you are really emotionally burnt out na sa past or present relationship mo. Parang yung person mo medyo nagkakalabuan kayo. Or maybe naman do sa past relationship mo na hindi naging maganda at di naging maayos at it end up na ganun na lang basta-basta, 'di ba? So, dito naman malakas yung energy that what you are manifesting ma-achieve mo. Ibig sabihin tong magician na to is working towards dun sa manifestations na yon in achieving that. Kasi yung magician, ginagamit niya yung four elements yung pentacles, cups, wands, and saka yung swords. So, ibig sabihin, gagawin mo yung lahat in order to achieve kung ano yung manifestations mo. And when you manifest for love, maybe your person is coming back to you, maaring yan yung minamanifest mo, or maybe you are manifesting for a new love, for a true love, for a deep, loving, committed relationship. Makakamit mo yan. Okay? Dito, maganda minsan kasi, you have to, yung hang ka lang, diba? Ibig sabihin yan, hindi mo kailangan, you have to let go of control issues. Huwag mong kontrolin lahat ng bagay. Ang kailangan mo lang kontrolin is your energy. How? You have to work with your energy to remove lahat ng mga negativities from your belief, paniniwala, okay? From your thoughts, from your words, and from your feelings. You have to work in cleansing your energies. Kaya naman yung hangman dito is for you to parang just relax, focus, meditate. Magkakaroon ka ng spiritual reflection dyan, meditation. You have to relax because when you are emotionally burnt out, all you have to do is to rest your mind, cleanse your energies, meditate. Kaya yung sa meditation dito, sa manifestations dito, palaging included yung meditation. Okay? Then, when you are manifesting for that love, you have to work dun sa sarili mo. O, yung dito, Two of Pentacles, ibig sabihin, make yourself busy. Para hindi mo masyado naiisip yung person mo, hindi ka hintay ng hintay doon sa bagong taong darating sa buhay mo, or yung person mo na gustong bumalik sa'yo. Make yourself busy. Ano yung mga pagkakabalahan mo? Kung yan, pagkakakitaan mo, yan, kaliwat kanan, go! Diba? Mga racket or mga sidelines, or make yourself busy na pwedeng pag-aralan mo yung bagay na ganun habang may ginagawa ka. Kaya nandito si Two of Pentacles eh. Make yourself, do the manifestations, meditation, manifestations about love, but focus dun sa sarili mo. Paano naman yun? Nagmamanifest nga ako about to, tapos focus dun sa sarili mo. Ganun nga eh. When you do the manifestations, tas after mo mag-meditate, visualization, tas isi-set mo yung nais ng puso mo. Tapos after nyo, yung manifestations mo, i-let go mo na sa universe, kay God. Hayaan mo siya mag-take control doon. Habang ikaw, nagtitake control ka sa sarili mo, nagfo-focus ka sa sarili mo, at siya nang bahala dun sa taong minamanifest mo. Kasi maari kasi yung taong minamanifest mo, kung yung person mo yan na gustong bumalik sa'yo, may gagawing proseso doon si God bago ibalik sa'yo. Kasi mahirap na ibalik sa'yo yung taong yun kung ganun pa rin, walang pagbabago. Lalo lang kayong mahihirapan, magkakasakitan, di ba? Ganun lang mangyayari sa inyo, babalik siya, pwedeng umalis din ulit. Okay? So, may ginagawang proseso doon si God para sa taong yun, para pag binalik niya sa'yo, nagbago na yung taong yun, at it will be for a better. Okay? Kung new person naman yun, yung minamanifest mo, God will make a way para talagang magkatagpo kayong dalawa. Don't worry about that. Just mag-focus ka lang sa sarili mo. Kaya nga, ang nangyayari dito, kapag nagfo-focus ka sa sarili mo, nagiging kang attractive. Ayan o, si Queen of Wands. Ito yung very attractive to eh. Very passionate to eh. Very charming at nag-a-attract talaga to ng maraming blessings. At nandito yung Star. Star nito, ibig sabihin, it will lead into the right direction. At yung right direction na yon ay yung taong magmamahal sa'yo ay patungo na sa direksyon mo while you are having fun with your friends at natutuwa sa'yo sa tinatutuwa sila sa'yo sa tinatakbo ng buhay mo. Yung strength dito, because naging matatag ka na sa buhay, sa mga pinagdaanan mong heartaches and mga pagsubok sa buhay. At yung maaring minamanifest mo, isang taong, sabihin natin, wealthy. Wealthy in all aspect. Kaya magiging sobrang blessed ka sa taong to. Kaya ganun, kapag magmamanifest kayo, huwag kayong maghintay ng resulta. Do the meditation, the manifestations, visualizations, setting your goals, what your heart's desire. Then after that, pakawalan mo na yung energy to flow into the universe, bahala na si God sa taong yon. While ikaw, nagpo-focus ka sa sarili mo, then suddenly, hindi mo na lang mamamalaya na yung taong yon paparating na sa buhay mo in its divine or perfect timing ni God. Kasi kapag dumating yung taong yon sa time na, sabihin natin mahina ka, sa time na, diba, minsan hindi mo na uunawaan yung mga wrong timing na yon, lalo kang, diba, parang masisira kapag pinipilit yung mga ganong bagay. Pero when it's divine timing or perfect timing, wala, parang it all went well. Kaya kapag kayo nag-manifest, kayo nag-pray for a true, loving, deep committed relationship, darating yan in its perfect timing. At sobrang blessed mo sa taong yon. Kasi ito, wealthy man ang lumabas dito. Wealthy and meron din siyang part or side na hindi siya ganun ka-showy, pero deep inside, andyan yung love niya sa'yo. Okay, so this reading is about manifestations because of this magician. For you to become more attractive, the universe will lead you to the right direction, and the person you are manifesting, yung past person mo yan na gustong bumalik or yung new person na darating sa buhay mo, the stars or the universe or God will make a way for you to meet that person, and you will be happy. You will celebrate with your friends. And for sure naman, you will introduce that person to your friends. Okay, so yun lang po. Maraming salamat po for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and TikTok. Have a good day po and God bless.